Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. As the discussion about public beach ownership intensifies, at least one member of the private sector agrees with plans to engage private investors in developing beaches. Developer of Puerto Rico Beach in St. Anne, Kenneth Benjamin, says the private sector can make a significant contribution to beach development. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
There are about 87 public beaches across the island. Some are easier to access than others because of entrance fees and privatization, mainly for hotel development. The discussion now intensifying with the government announcing plans to table a green paper in Parliament on its policy regarding access to public beaches. But developer of the recently relaunched Puerto Rico Beach, Kenneth Benjamin, argues that all beaches cannot be public and free.
Some people believe that all the beaches in Jamaica should be public. And if you're an economy so dependent on tourism, that's not possible.
Mr. Benjamin says the government has made the right move in engaging the private sector.
I think the government is heading in the right direction now to make sure the adequate public beaches that are well maintained and looked after, and the local people have somewhere to go.
But at what cost? The fees are usually justified by the developers who claim that the money is used for maintenance and development. Still, Mr. Benjamin argues that there's an even bigger reason why more beaches aren't open to the public.
Now, I'm also in the security business. And one of the biggest problems we have with the hotel properties, where they have a private beach or their own beach, is people who come and hustle and sell drugs, harass the tourists, they come in and I think we need to stop that.
For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in November went down by 19 cents to settle at $72.06 a barrel. The JSE index lost 2,839 points today, while the junior index gained 56 points. Among the winners today, 138 Student Living, Berger Paints, CAC 2000, Express Catering, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, ISP Finance Services, and Jamaica Stock Exchange. On the losing side, Burrito Investments, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Derrimon Trading, Elite Diagnostic, Fosrich, General Accident Insurance, and Indies Pharma. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.